Alright, so I figured out my issue, with the Herbalist Task quest. It turns out, apparently there are points in time where you should, actually look at your journal. And so let's just look at it. See, right? Secondary, Herbalist Task. Find pure iron bark. The Dalish may know where to find it. So obviously I should have been talking to the Dalish this entire time, and talk to this dude.
So you've returned?
The entire time I've just kind of been relying upon,
It's been nothing but roses and rainbows, Master Island. The alienage is lovely in the spring. The collapsing shacks and drunken brutes are nicely offset by the knee-deep mud.
This path has been of your own choosing, Merrill. A path that has saddened the clan greatly.
Perhaps if the clan was more accepting of the ancient ways and not so mired in fear.
Enough. We will not bicker like children in front of strangers. We cannot undo what is done. My apologies for that display. Perhaps we can start again.
Tell me where Ironbark is.
I am Master Island.
But yeah, I've been too absorbed in just always using
so close to this Shemlin city. I've seen my share of outsiders pass through our camp.
Always just using the quest markers to tell me exactly where I'm supposed to be. I don't care about his trade, I'm just looking for Ironbark.
In stock. What use is Ironbark to you? I've never met a Shem who could bend it to his will. Either way, I'm out of stock. I do know where it can be found, but it is impossible to retrieve.
Not for me.
Our people were forbidden from venturing to the area after we lost 2 of our best hunters there.
What happened that warriors as skilled as the Dalish refused to venture to the area?
Your respect for our hunters is most surprising, stranger. The place is overrun by darkspawn. If we tried to eradicate them, we would risk the precious few hunters we have left. I'll show you where the area is. What you do with the information is up to you.
Alright, sweet. Now, I don't know where the fuck I am going. Where the hell do I go now? There's no marker. Maybe it's through a cave that's up here that I couldn't get through before. That's the only thing I can think of. Is this direction. So it looks like there's a wagon blocking that. Yeah, where the fuck am I supposed to go? There's no marker. So what did the journal actually say? Maybe it's a separate area? That's the only thing I can think of right now, is it's a separate area completely. Okay, it is. Good. I was gonna say, like, seriously? You're gonna give me that shit and now there's nothing around? God damn it. Never helping out this herbalist guy again. This is too difficult.
Out of range!
Why aren't... Oh, now it's starting to make... I was gonna say, like, why are none of my hits, like, making sound effects? No, still, like, none of the hits are making any, like, slashing sound effects like they usually do. That's very odd. You're interrupting my exploring. Seriously, dude, that skill, if you let it charge up the entire way, is just so fucking good.
I'll deal with this! Now you fall! Need to get closer!
Oh my god, it's an ogre! Oh shit. We are getting fucked up, but we're also fucking him up. Unstoppable, baby. Both Isabella and Hawk almost died there, but shit. That dude's health just disappeared. Damn it. Alright, thank God. Now I can be done with this stupid Herbalist Task nonsense. I'm done forever. See if I ever search anything out on your behalf again, cocksucker. So now after this, I have 2 more quests. Well, 1 more quest after this. And then I should, unless something else happens, I should be able to, move right along. And start up the Deep Roads expedition. Move along the main story.
You've brought back everything on the list. I'll get to work immediately. And of course, here is the reward I promised.
Sweetness. So how much gold do I even have right now? 68. So yeah, I got more than enough. You only need 50. But I want to get the XP for everything. Apparently, the level cap, I have no idea how. I'm assuming they must have a lot of DLC planned for this game, because the level cap, from what I have heard, is like level 50. And so I talked to my friend, like, you know, I'm not exactly hugely far into the game, but I'm figuring this has got to be like a 30-hour game, right? That's about how long it took you. I'm 10 hours in, and I'm only level, like, 10. And he said he only got to level 26 by the end of the game. That's it, just level 26. That's barely even halfway there. So I'm kind of curious why they have such a huge level cap. There has to be a lot of DLC planned. Okay, but anyway, we're starting a new quest, so I might as well start a new video for this.